Being cool isn't about acting like you don't care. It's about caring so much about the right things that you stop caring about everything else. Let me explain. You ever notice how the people trying the hardest to look cool always look the least cool? The guy forcing confidence. The girl begging for attention with every post. The person changing their personality depending on who's watching. All of them are fighting for approval. And nothing is less cool than wanting to be seen as cool. Because real cool doesn't chase, it draws. Nonchalantly cool people have this weird paradox to them. They care deeply about their craft, their taste, their world, but they truly don't give a shit whether you approve of it. You can feel the difference instantly. Look at Steve Jobs walking on stage in a black turtleneck. 0 effort spent pretending, 100% effort spent building something insane. Or Rick Owens, designing clothes that look like they came from the future. Not once did he stop and ask, will this fit the trend? That's the secret. They choose themselves first, and by the time the world catches up, it's too late. They've already moved on. So, how do you get that energy? 3 rules. Rule 1, have your own world. Cool people are not empty shells waiting for attention. They have obsessions, projects, passions. They're creating more than they're scrolling. When you're busy creating, experimenting, and leveling up, you naturally become mysterious. Not because you're hiding, but because you're occupied. Rule 2, stop explaining yourself. If you have to convince people you're cool, you're not. Say less. Let your actions do the talking. Rule 3, never run from embarrassment. Being cringe is the toll you pay for doing anything original. The moment you stop avoiding judgment is the moment people start respecting you. Because when you move like someone who doesn't need applause, people feel the urge to clap. Cool isn't confidence, it's conviction. So if you want to be cool, stop performing, stop auditioning, stop begging for permission to be yourself. Focus on becoming someone worth watching, not someone desperate to be seen. Cool isn't something you chase. It's what shows up the moment you stop trying.